The cabin air filter in 2014-2021 Jeep Grand Cherokees is behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, empty the glove box. Then, gently detach the glove box from its hinges. Some models have push-pin fasteners you might need a flathead screwdriver for. Locate the cabin air filter cover, a plastic panel secured by clips or screws. Release the clips or unscrew the fasteners and slide out the old filter. Vacuum any debris from the housing to clean it thoroughly. Always wear gloves to avoid contact with dirt and allergens. Orient the new filter correctly, with the airflow direction arrows pointing towards the cabin. These arrows are usually printed on the filter frame. Slide the new filter into the housing. Secure the cover and reattach the glove box to its hinges. Close the glove box, start the vehicle, and test the HVAC functions like fan speeds and recirculation mode to ensure proper airflow without any unusual noises. Replacing the cabin air filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually is important for maintaining air quality and preventing HVAC issues.